Good afternoon. This is yours truly, one Mr. Panuka. I'm surrounded by one Professor Antony Chapoto here, a renowned agricultural economist, and then we have a bunch of young graduates here behind me. So, young men, I need you to introduce yourselves one by one.
My name is Himokola Shware. I'm a professional agribusiness student, actually graduate from NRDC.
My name is Lucia Matthews Kazela. I'm a third year agronomy student at the University of Zambia.
Okay, this is Nathan Mwanza from Chipembi College of Agriculture. I did graduate certificate in general agriculture.
Good. So, Mwanza, you've been here for longer. So, how long have you been with us?
I'm here for 6 months, but now this is my 4th month.
Yeah, 4th month. Yeah.
Yes.
So, how's been your experience so far?
So far, so good. I've done so well in terms of cabbage production and banana production.
Okay.
Yes, I
You never thought of running away at some point?
No.
Okay.
Sure.
What's been the most exciting thing so far during your stay here?
The most exciting thing is on cabbage production.
Okay.
Yes.
What was exciting about it?
Yes, in terms of pest management, and
What's been the toughest thing so far?
the toughest thing is on plant preparation so far. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And then, yes, Zela.
I've been here for 2 weeks now.
Okay.
Yes, the most exciting thing on this Panuka farm too is the potato production, where I've learned about pest management, the fungicides, how to weed. Then I've also learned land preparation on the banana, which has been the toughest and most demanding.
Okay.
Yes, and I've learned techniques on how to probe, on how to apply pesticides, and how to identify if a banana is yet to ripe or if it's still in its maturity stage.
Okay.
Yes.
So far, I mean, within 2 weeks, your third year at the University of Zambia, what are you learning in terms of the practice versus, the stuff that you learn in class, the variance?
So here it's quite different from the theoretical aspect of you just do the paperwork and assignments. Here you learn the hands-on skill.
Okay.
You know how you identify what kind of pest is affecting a certain crop, or what kind of fungicide is affecting, or anything that's affecting a field. So
Okay.
here it's quite, you have to get on the hands-on experience.
Good. Yes, NRDC.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you are the newest here, so
Yes,
just a couple of days. Yeah. So are you not thinking of running away so far?
No, sir. The struggle is real, but it's worth it, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So what have you learned so far in the few days that you've been here?
We're actually doing mostly crops that are not done in Zambia. That are mostly imported. That's the most important part that I've learned. Production, like the banana plantation. Yeah, we are usually reducing on the importation of.
Okay, these same crops.
Yes.
Okay.
They're mostly imported.
Okay, Professor Chapoto.
Yes.
Yeah, you've taught, you've researched for years as a renowned agricultural economist. I mean, this issue of integrating most of these graduates into practice, I just wanted to have your say, because one of the things that we're actually looking at as Panuka is to try and see how we can actually expand this, because we've actually seen quite a lot of value. So I just wanted you to speak to this issue.
Yeah, no, thank you so much, Bruno. I mean, I'm impressed. What I've seen here is fantastic. And also, just your graduate program or student internship program is quite interesting. And I see a lot of value into it, because all these young guys, they are youth. And I think this could be probably the breakthrough, I think, that you are training. But once you train them, where do they go?
Yeah.
And yeah, I mean, they can work for somebody else, but for me, I think they can also become entrepreneurs like you.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, our research in Zambia, for example, we have a lot of farm blocks in every province.
Yeah.
And these farm blocks could be utilized. I think one of my recommendations, one of the papers was that take advantage of the youth.
Yeah.
Because these youth, particularly trained youth, those ones coming from agricultural colleges.
Yeah.
And they pass through Panuka farms to get hands-on experience.
Yeah.
If we can give them probably a starter pack, you know, What they need is a 5-hectare farm.
Yeah.
What they need is probably a small house. What they need is probably access to some irrigation. And let them do what they can do on their own.
Yeah.
But of course, if they fail to do it within, to manage a farm as a business within 5 years, they should be kicked out and allow other young people to come in.
Those that are more serious.
Yeah, so there could be, I see potential for partnership with
Yeah.
government. Here, I also see potential for partnership with other farmers, because you see, when they leave this farm, they can go and work as managers on other farms.
Yeah,
I mean, nowadays we have a lot of what we call weekend farmers.
Yeah.
But what you need is a very good farm manager. And this pool that you are training can be one of them. So how can we think about a model where you can be a source of those managers? I think those are two ideas that probably I can say, yes.
We've actually seen, I think, the focus for the government, and rightly so, I think, has been education, and also health. But I think in terms of the agriculture side, we haven't actually seen the same level of oomph. But I guess it's all about priorities from a government perspective. But I think this is where ourselves can actually come in and partner with government, try and see what alternatives I think these kids can.
I think, you see, I think there's a study that we did on, because we were trying to find out why the youth are running away from agriculture. And
they want to farm in air conditioned.
Yeah, but basically I think it is because we are also viewing agriculture as just primary production.
Yeah.
But agriculture is a value chain.
Yeah.
There are many steps, and some youth are interested in doing the smarter things. Or if we make if we tell the youth that agriculture can give you an iPhone 17, I'm sure they'll come. And they'll find ways of making agriculture work for them. But I think at the core of it, I think vocation, we have not put enough resources, I think, in vocational training.
In terms of preparing them for the opportunity.
And also when people use their hands, they are not going to go hungry. So that's why I think vocational training is very, very important, and that's why I said I think your model of training these young people from colleges and universities, I think is a good model, and I think should be supported.
Great. So, young man, any last words?
Come and do your attachments, your internships at Panuka Farms, where you learn a variety of various departments of agriculture, from food production, processing, and distribution. You'll definitely not go wrong here.
It's actually encouraged more students or people that are actually graduated to also come through. At Panuka Farm, we don't just go and sell, we go to sell. So we're actually a serious agribusiness farm that it's really developing and it's going very far.
Yes, Mwanza.
Hands-on, practical skills are done at Panuka Farm. You never go long as you come at Panuka Farm.
Good.
Thank you so much.
Of course, we here we say there's no zambala. Here we want the orderliness and making sure that you put in your best. So guys, have a lovely one. I think this chat has been, great, juiced up, for potential partners. If you are also looking at investing in these young ones, reach out to us, and then we look forward to partnering with you and scale up this program so that more young ones can actually be part of this renaissance. So from yours truly, one Mr. Panuka. Bye bye.